Hey guys, this is Lucas from Aura. Today I love to show you expected feature floor plan we just finished and deployed to production, ready for you to use it for your listing. So even if you have like scratch on the paper with the floor plan written, or you have like classic 2D floor plans, you can use the feature and tool inside the listing in the Aura. Let me show you over here to change it and transform it to 3D, nice 3D visualization. So for example, I'm gonna choose the classic 2D floor plan. I just confirm and start and let Aura do the job. Meanwhile, I can show you like how I did the floor plan for my sketchy thing. So I just, sorry about the noisy thing, I just did it in the handwritten thing. As you can see, it's nice, it's working, and this is the way how you can actually promote there's a visualization of the floor plan for your customers, for the clients. Easier for you to sell. Hopefully it's gonna work for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.